The cheapest, easiest DIY mouse guards, Michael Palmer style.
I don't see any reason why I couldn't leave the robbing screen and the mouse guard on all year round. All you need is half-inch hardware cloth, tin snips to cut it with, and something to bend it with. I'm using these two wooden nuke boxes. You don't need any fasteners. So first thing, cut a strip that is 3 squares wide, like this. Then make sure it's the right width for your boxes. From here to here. Doop. That's even a little bit wider than the entrance. That's fine. Next thing, bend your strip exactly down the middle. So get it to about a 90-degree angle. Next, give your guard bees a little bit of smoke. I had to lift my robbing screen out of the way. Then just take the mouse guard and shove it in the entrance. Get it nice and stuck, and then push it in more with your Hive tool. These sharp points will dig into the wood or polystyrene of your hive. This polystyrene hive is coated in mortar to make it hard. Mice apparently can climb hive stands, so hive stands are not enough to keep the mice out of your hives. If you go on YouTube, you can see videos of mice climbing vertical walls. Hey, don't let mice eat your bees. Don't let your bees get robbed either. This is how you stop them from getting robbed. Make sure the thumbs up button is blue if this helped you.